The year is 2025. The world is watching as India unveils its union budget. This year, the budget brings cheers to millions, especially the middle class. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented a budget focused on growth and relief. At its heart lies a significant overhaul of the income tax regime. This move promises to put more money in the hands of the average Indian. The budget reflects the government's commitment to ease the financial burden on the middle class. This is a welcome move in times of global economic uncertainty. The new tax slabs and exemptions are designed to boost disposable income. This in turn is expected to fuel consumption and drive economic growth. The budget has generated a wave of optimism across the country. People are excited about the prospect of having more financial flexibility. This move is being seen as a game changer for the middle class. It acknowledges their contribution to the nation's economic progress. The government's decision to prioritize the middle class is both strategic and timely. This segment forms the backbone of the Indian economy. By empowering them, the government aims to unleash a new wave of economic activity and prosperity. The new income tax structure is simpler and more beneficial for many taxpayers. Under the revamped regime, individuals earning up to 12 lakh rupees annually will not have to pay any income tax. This is a major relief for a large section of the population. Salaried individuals will particularly benefit from the enhanced exemption limit of 12.75 lakh rupees, which includes the standard deduction of 75,000 rupees. The new tax slabs are designed to reduce the tax burden across different income levels. The government has adopted a progressive approach. The tax rates increase gradually with income levels. This ensures fairness and equity in the system. Here's a quick look at the new tax slabs. 0 to 4 lakh rupees at 0%, 4 to 8 lakh rupees at 5%, 8 to 12 lakh rupees at 10%, 12 to 16 lakh rupees at 15%, 16 to 20 lakh rupees at 20%, 20 to 24 lakh rupees at 25%, and above 24 lakh rupees at 30%. The new tax regime is optional, giving taxpayers the flexibility to choose what suits them best. The government encourages individuals to assess their finances and make informed decisions. This move empowers taxpayers to optimize their tax liabilities based on their individual circumstances. The 2025 budget goes beyond just income tax reforms. It outlines a comprehensive vision for economic growth and development. The government has allocated significant funds to key sectors like infrastructure, healthcare, and education. The healthcare sector received a major boost with provisions for daycare cancer centers in all district hospitals. Additionally, the government announced exemptions from basic customs duty on 36 life-saving drugs. This move is set to make healthcare more accessible and affordable for all citizens. To bolster the agricultural sector, the government has introduced the Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. This scheme aims to enhance farmers' income and promote sustainable agricultural practices. The government recognizes the importance of agriculture in India's economy and is committed to its growth and modernization. Recognizing the importance of technology and innovation, the budget allocates 500 crore rupees for an AI and Education Center of Excellence. This initiative underscores the government's commitment to preparing the workforce for the jobs of the future. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the budget as a people's budget. He emphasized its focus on empowering the middle class and driving economic growth. The budget has been widely lauded by experts and industry leaders alike. They believe that the government's focus on fiscal prudence, coupled with targeted investments, will pave the way for sustainable and inclusive growth. The stock market reacted positively to the budget announcements. Several sectors, especially those related to consumer goods and technology, witnessed significant gains. This indicates the confidence of investors in the government's economic vision. The 2025 Union Budget is not just a statement of accounts, it is a roadmap for India's economic future. By prioritizing the well-being of its citizens and making strategic investments in key sectors, the government is laying the foundation for a stronger, more prosperous India. The long-term implications of this budget are expected to be significant, setting the stage for a new era of economic growth and opportunity. This budget is a testament to the government's commitment to building an Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India.